Metro Bilbao is a rapid transit system serving the city of Bilbao and the region of Greater Bilbao. It uses a meter gauge. As of 2017, the metro operates on 49.16 kilometers of route with 48 stations, 31 of them underground and 17 on the surface, with 80 accesses, not counting elevators. It is the third largest metro company in Spain by number of passengers carried behind the Madrid and Barcelona metro systems. On 21st of February 2007, the Basque government announced the project for the construction of the third metro line, which in the future will be expanded to the Bilbao airport. Construction of the third line began in July 2008 and was inaugurated on 8th of April 2017. On 25th of January 2008, the preliminary layout of lines 4 and 5 was published. At the same time, the University of the Basque Country requested the construction of line 6 in order to connect Leioa, where the university is located, and Getxo with Asua Valley, where the airport is located, going through the university campus. The first part of line 1 opened on 11th of November 1995 with 23 stations between Casco Viejo and Valencia. By 5th of July 1997, the total number of stations was 27, as Santiusu, Basarate and Bolueta joined Gobela, which had opened the previous year. The first line, which operates north of the river Nervion, was later joined by a second line which operates south of the river. The two lines split in San Ignazio, from where the second runs to Santurci. The original 5 stations, Gurzeta, Cruces, Anzio, Baracaido, Bacazza and Urbinaga, were opened on 13th of April 2002. The furthest eastern point is now Etxebarri station, opened along with Sestao on 8 January 2005. Line 2 was enlarged with 2 new stations on Portugalete that reopened on 20th of January 2007. 2 new stations joined the metro system on 4th of July 2009 in Santurci Penota and Santurci stations. In 2014, the stations of Cabieses was inaugurated. Following the commencement of works in the middle of 2009, the Line 3 was inaugurated on 8th of April 2017. The third line has a length of 5,885 meters and has 1 station in Etxebarri and 6 stations in Bilbao. The Metro Bilbao network is divided into the following fare zones. Zone 1 Bilbao, from Bolueta main line for L1 and L2 to San Ignazio main line for L1 and L2. Zone 2 Upper Nervion. Zone 2A right bank of the river. Zone 2B left bank of the river. And Zone 3. Metro Bilbao offers special cards that are personal and cannot be transferred, with a time limit of 5 years since the date of issue. They can be obtained at any of the customer service offices of Metro Bilbao. The ticket system is closed, which means that validation of the tickets is required when entering the station and again when exiting. There are different types of tickets, each of which has a different fare. The metro network works from 6 AM until 11 PM from Monday to Thursday and until 2 AM on Friday and days before festive days. There is an all-night service from Saturday to Sunday with trains each 15 minutes on the main lines and with a 30-minute frequency on the other lines. During June, July, August and September, the No Interruptions night service also works on Fridays. Access to the metro is provided by Fosteritos glass structures, affectionately named after the architect who designed them, Norman Foster. These modern-looking tunnels stand attractive alongside the modern and innovative interior in the stations. Trains are fully accessible by lifts and escalators. Sariko Station won the 1998 Brunei Award for Railway Design. It is noticeably different from the rest of the stations in the network. In place of the standard Fosterito, a vast glazed atrium pours natural light into the entire station, and the long unbroken escalator ride to the ticket hall from street level gives a dramatic sense of character to the station. The Metro Bilbao uses train types of the series UT500, UT550 and UT600 built by CAF. The company uses 24 trains of the first series, 13 of the second and 9 of the third. Daily ridership is 260,000 of passengers in 2018. Annual ridership is 94,956,131 of passengers in 2018. Total system length is 43.28 kilometers.